Welcome to WordWeek. In this video, we're going to learn 10 advanced English words with simple meanings and examples, so you can sound more natural and confident when you speak. Our first word is glib, meaning glib means speaking in a smooth and confident way, but not really honest or serious. Example, imagine a shop salesman who keeps saying, "Sir, this product is perfect for you, 100% best," to every customer, even when it's not true. The salesman's glib talk fooled many customers. Our second word is incorrigible, meaning incorrigible describes a person whose bad behavior cannot be corrected or improved. Example, think of a student who keeps copying in exams even after the teacher warns him many times. He is an incorrigible liar who continues to lie in every situation. Our third word is ocular, meaning ocular means related to the eyes or to vision. Example, imagine going to an eye doctor who shines a light and checks your eyes carefully. That is an ocular examination. The doctor did an ocular check of his eyes before prescribing glasses. Our fourth word is demagogue, meaning a demagogue is a leader who gains support by exciting people's emotions, anger or fears, instead of using calm, logical arguments. Example, picture a political leader shouting on a stage and making the crowd more and more angry without giving real solutions. The demagogue stirred up the angry crowd with his speech. Our fifth word is naïve, meaning naïve means innocent, too simple, and too ready to trust people because of little experience of the real world. Example, think of a first-year student who believes every promise a stranger makes on social media. The naive student trusted everyone and got cheated. Our sixth word is affluence, meaning affluence means great wealth or having a lot of money and expensive things. Example, imagine a family living in a large bungalow with luxury cars and foreign trips every year. They live in affluence after their business became successful. Our seventh word is retrospect, meaning retrospect means looking back at the past and thinking about it. Example, suppose you chose a difficult course and struggled, but later that course helped you get a great job. In retrospect, she knew she had made the right choice. Our eighth word is clandestine, meaning clandestine means secret and hidden, usually because something may be wrong or not allowed. Example, imagine two workers meeting late at night in a quiet cafe to discuss selling company secrets. They held a clandestine meeting at night to discuss their plan. Our ninth word is simulate, meaning simulate means to pretend or to copy the way something looks, feels, or behaves. Example, think of a student who is very nervous before a presentation but stands straight, smiles, and speaks firmly so others think he is confident. He tried to simulate confidence during the interview. Our 10th and final word is magnanimous, meaning magnanimous describes someone who is very generous and forgiving, especially toward a person who has done something wrong or is weaker. Example, imagine losing a sports match because your teammate made a mistake, but instead of shouting, you say, "It's okay, we'll win next time." In a magnanimous gesture, she forgave her rival after losing the match. Now it's your turn. Choose any 3 words from this video and make your own sentences. Say them out loud or write them down. Using the words is the best way to remember them. Thank you for watching WordWeek. See you in the next lesson.